How to check if an object is a generator object in Python? In Python, how do I check if an object is a generator object? Trying this gives the error. I know I can check if the object has a next method for it to be a generator, but I want some way using which I can determine the type of any object, not just generators.
You can use generator type from types.
You mean generator functions? Use inspect.isGenerator function. Edit. If you want a generator object, you can use inspect.isGenerator as pointed out by Jab in his comment.
I think it is important to make distinction between generator functions and generators. Generator functions result. Calling generator_function won't yield normal result, it even won't execute any code in the function itself, the result will be special object called generator. So it is not generator function, but generator. And generator function is not generator. Just for a reference, actual call of function body will happen by consuming generator, e.g. See also in Python, is there a way to check if a function is a generator function before calling it?
The inspect.isGenerator function is fine if you want to check for pure generators, i.e. objects of class generator. However, it will return false if you check, for example, a zip iterable. An alternative way for checking for a generalized generator is to use this function.
You could use the iterator or more specifically, the generator from the typing module. Result.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.